drowning in invoices and unsure how to pay them efficiently in QuickBooks. Let's streamline that process. First, from your QuickBooks dashboard, navigate to the plus new button in the upper left corner. Click it. Under the vendors section, select Pay Bills. This is your central hub for managing outgoing payments. You'll now see a list of all your unpaid bills. Check the box next to each invoice you want to pay. Next, choose the bank account you'll be paying from by selecting the drop-down menu next to the payment account field. Verify the payment date to ensure it's accurate. You can change this by clicking on the date field and selecting the correct date from the calendar. If you're paying by check, enter the check number in the reference no field. This is crucial for tracking your payments. If you have any vendor credits, they'll appear at the bottom. Click the credits button to apply them to the invoice. Review the amount to pay column and adjust the payment amount if you're making a partial payment. Finally, click Save and Close to record the payment. You can also select Save and Print if you need a printed record of the check or payment.